Hey team, today we're going to be unmasking the Dreadnought Max.
Okay, one of the big things that I got at SEMA was showing the inside of our products. Now, not many people want to buy our products and then cut them apart like I do. So I'm going to do it for you so you don't have to buy a towel and then cut it open to see what's inside. So in this Dreadnought Max, the Dreadnought Max is a 1400 GSM towel compared to our normal Dreadnought is an 1100 GSM. And I'm going to show you where that weight difference and the stiffness difference comes from. So the Dreadnought Max, what we did with the Dreadnought Max is we took our most popular drying towel, the Dreadnought, and we added a third layer. Now you see this gray inside, it's sewn to the black side, so I can't pull this apart. So this extra piece of layer here, what this does is it makes the towel more absorbent. This is our most absorbent towel in the Dreadnought series, and it also makes it a little bit stiffer. And kind of like our Saver applicators, it prevents water from as easily coming all the way through the towel. So it's very often when you're using the Dreadnought Max, you know, one side of the towel may be fairly wet, and yet on the other side you can't see or feel that wetness. And I'm going to demonstrate on this C8 Corvette how well the Dreadnought Max dries. But that's all due to this additional layer here in the center, which provides that barrier. Now I'm going to show you how well the towel dries the car, and I'm going to demonstrate with a one pass on the towel, just dragging it across to show you how much water it picks up. But one thing I want to mention is somebody in the comments at one point said that their towels tend to not do what I'm about to show you, and a lot of that is because people wash their towels incorrectly, and we have a video on how to wash and care for your microfiber towels so you don't end up in a situation where the towel doesn't absorb as much as we'd like. And the primary culprit for that is washing the towels with some other thing like wax or something that has ceramic coating on it, right? Because those things repel water, and if it gets into the fibers, it's going to repel the water, not absorb it. And you can usually reset that with some vinegar, but it's all in that video. But I just wanted to mention that before I show you this. Now you see we haven't even used the other side yet, and of course I can't show it to you on video, but because of that additional layer, there's no water. This is still as dry as can be, on this side. And obviously we don't typically dry cars like this, but this is just a demonstration of how one side of the towel, and I can dry a large portion of this car with almost no pressure. And of course, we'll have to go back and touch up what we missed. And I still haven't flipped the towel yet. Okay, you can see why everybody's switching to the Dreadnought Max to dry their vehicles, and it's because it is so easy and so absorbent. Check it out.